Alright, it's sodium demo day, and right now Mrs. Peterson is over there giving her little spiel. She likes to talk. Not as much as me, but likes to talk. I'm gonna let the students take over and describe what we're doing with sodium here today, but first, let's do a little highlight reel, shall we?
Hello, today we'll be talking about sodium. So sodium is an element and it's number 11 on the periodic table. So its chemical symbol is Na, or capital N little a. Sodium is a metal, but it's very soft. It can be cut very easily with a knife, almost like cutting an eraser.
Sodium is actually very shiny from the inside if you cut it open. And after a few times, if you leave it there and observe, it turns gray. Due to it's exposed to the atmosphere that has moisture in it, and it starts turning into a different color, which we all know as gray.
Now let's talk about the chemical properties of sodium. Sodium overall is very reactive, and the one thing it reacts with is water, which makes sodium very dangerous to handle by yourself without a professional helping.
Okay, you're gonna jump at me and I'm gonna be ready.
How we did it was we took a bucket of water and then we put a cube, or a few cubes, I would say, of sodium.
Well, like I said earlier, sodium is really reactive. Really reactive. Why does sodium explode in water? What's the actual science happening in the experiment, you might ask? When sodium reacts with water, it creates new substances, hydrogen gas and sodium hydroxide.
Hydrogen gas is a flammable gas, but you can't see it. Sodium hydroxide is a white-gray powder. We see this in the smoke and the water afterwards.
Now you have seen the physical and chemical process with sodium. Sodium is overall a super cool chemical that can do so much. I hope you learned something watching this video and now have a deeper understanding about the chemical sodium.
It explodes, it happens so quickly, and this is not a scientific word here, but furious in some pieces.